In today's video, I am going to teach you how to filter data in Excel. Filtering data in Excel is a simple way to focus on only the information you want to see, without deleting or changing the rest of your spreadsheet. This is especially useful when you have a table with many rows, such as a list of products, names, dates, categories, prices, or any other information that you want to narrow down. A filter temporarily hides the rows that do not match what you choose, while keeping all of your original data safely in place. To begin, open the worksheet that contains the data you want to filter. Look at the top row of your table, where the column headers are located. These headers are the labels that describe the information in each column, such as category, status, date, or amount. Highlight your table headers by clicking and dragging across the header row. Make sure you are selecting the actual header cells for the table you want to work with, because Excel uses these headers to decide where to place the filter controls. Once the table headers are highlighted, move your attention to the ribbon at the top of Excel. Click the Data tab. This tab contains tools that help you organize, sort, and analyze information in your worksheet. You do not need to change the data itself. You are simply telling Excel that you want to add filtering controls to the selected table headers. Now, with the Data tab open, click Filter. After you click it, Excel will add small drop-down arrows to the selected column headers. These arrows are the controls you will use to decide what information should stay visible and what information should be hidden. If the arrows appear in the header row, that means filtering has been turned on successfully for your table. Next, choose the column you want to filter. For example, if you want to show only certain categories, use the arrow on the category column. If you want to focus on a specific status or type of entry, use the arrow for that column instead. Click the drop-down arrow on the column header you want to filter. A menu will open, showing the items that appear in that column. In this menu, you will see a list of available items with checkboxes beside them. Items that are checked are currently visible in the table. Items that are unchecked will be hidden from view. To filter the data, uncheck the items you want to hide. Take a moment to review the list carefully, because your selection controls which rows remain visible after the filter is applied. After you have unchecked the items you do not want to see, click OK. Excel will immediately update the table so that only the rows matching your selected items remain visible. The other rows are not deleted. They are simply hidden by the filter, so your worksheet becomes easier to read and work with. You may also notice that the filtered column header now looks slightly different, showing that a filter is active on that column. This helps you remember that the table is currently displaying a limited view of the data. That is the basic process for filtering data in Excel. Highlight your table headers, go to Data, turn on Filter, open the drop-down arrow for the column you want, uncheck the items you want to hide, and click OK, and that is all there is to it.